Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great wagon 4-door in our collection. A pre-owned 2016 Porsche Cayenne. This Porsche is powered by all-wheel drive, V6 engine, automatic transmission, and has 86,540 miles. Experience luxury and performance with this stunning 2016 Porsche Cayenne. Sleek design, powerful engine, and top-notch features await you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own your dream SUV. Schedule a test drive today. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.